Hi everybody, it's Christina and thank you for joining me. So today I wanted to share this new collection from Card Making Magic, and this is Celtic Dreams. There are several items in this collection. We have a beautiful set of stamps. There are 2 embossing folders, a 6x6 and a circular one. Then you have a stamp and die combination set. We have the Tree of Life. And then we have the icons set. So I'll go through the little bits with you and show you what we can do. So this is the icons set, and this can be used separately or together. The same with these. And these are the cards that I've used to create these dies. So there's your cross, and that's the whole lot cut together. I've used stamps from the stamp set. This is the floral one, and I've cut this in gold card. The base has been wrapped with gold twine, and this one is this, and that's been added to an inked background. So there you've got 3 cards created with the stamps and the Celtic Dreams icons. For this card I've taken the Celtic Borders, Corners and Sentiments die set, and I've cut this 3 times from some patterned paper. I've also kept the centre part that came out, and I've added that with foam tape underneath. And I've used a 4th one to add the stamp Have a Lush Day on the front. That's been added to an embossed panel and then placed on a 5x7 card. So there are lots of different ways that you can use this, and there are a lot of dies in this set. Now, using these 2 dies, I've done them in different ways. I've used the background embossing folder to create the background with inks, and then I've gone over it with gold gilding wax. And then I've cut the tree once in black and once in white, and they've just been added to my card. I've used sentiments from another collection, but that just finishes the cards off, and they are 6x6s standing in tenfold. Now, also with the Tree of Life, I've created a panel that will sit on the front. I've just glued it to one side of the gatefold. I've used the embossing folder to create the panel inside, and then to add patterns to the gatefold I've used the little corner die and the border, and I've had to extend that to fit the card. And they're from the Celtic Borders and Corners and Sentiments die and stamp set. So there you have a selection of cards using these dies and stamps in different ways, just to give you some idea of what you can do. And the items that I've used have been from the Celtic Dreams collection, and that is this one. So I hope you've enjoyed the little video, and if you have, please join me on the next one, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.